Every time I see this picture, I remember placing my hands on my dad's shoulders and smelling the rich scent of wood he carried upstairs from the workshop he had in our basement. Today, I'm trying to follow in my father's footsteps of fine woodworking by handcrafting premium quality domino tables. Each Domino Sam table has its very own character because I select the best boards of poplar wood available in the Florida region. Our colorful and original artwork is enhanced by the natural grain of poplar wood frames, and I carefully apply multiple coats of lacquer to provide a polished finish that is comparable to fine furniture. I want everyone to be able to enjoy fun times with family and friends, playing on their very own Domino Sam table, which is why I've designed different table models to fit all budgets and for all types of occasions. Domino Sam game tables are a unique gift for those special people in our lives. They are also great for corporate branding, community events, and domino tournaments. My dad is no longer with us, but I know he watches over me and that he's proud to see me using all the woodworking techniques that he taught me. And in the shop, I know I can always count on the encouragement and support of my father-in-law, Sam. Domino Sam.